We are with Ari Espinal. She's Assembly member in the 39th District. She is visiting here the National Supermarket Show Association, National Association, NSA 18 here in New York, in a trade show that they have right now. But Ari, can you tell us about your relation with this industry and the importance for you as an Assembly member and your life as a politician, as a young person, and representing the Hispanic community here in the New York area?
Yeah, well, like you said, I'm Assemblywoman Ari Espinal, and I represent Corona, Jackson Heights, and Elmhurst. And to me, it's a proud moment being here. Being that I come from Dominican immigrant parents, being born and raised in Corona, I know the quality of NSA supermarkets. And they opened their arms when I first became an Assembly member, knowing that I know the industry, knowing that this is what a second home for me. Having trade shows like these today just opens up the revenue for them and increasing their quality of life when it comes to bringing more resources back to the community and having the ability of saying this is where you can find the goods from back home or from New York City. And this is why it's really important to have those relationships here with them, because it's going to open up the revenues for them and increase them. And there's no other place but to call and shop where you call home. And that's really important. And NSA has done a really good job with that.